So what's up guys, Miles back with another video. On this video, we're going to talk about reality versus online. I feel like this is a very good topic to talk about, and I'm going to break it down, as far as I can, down to the molecule, about some stuff that a lot of people don't really realize about online versus reality. When we're on Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Snapchat, or whatever it is. Let's stick with Instagram, for example. On our Instagram, we typically follow like a lot of us celebrities, a lot of attractive people, whether it be Instagram models or, male celebrities or male people with in-shape bodies or whatever your thing might be. I'm talking to the men and women when it comes to this. So whenever I bring up men or whatever, that's what I'm talking about. I'm referring to the women, and vice versa when I talk about the women for the guys. So we're following the most attractive people on the planet. We're following the most successful people on the planet. So when people come out in the real world, they overlook a lot of people that are good people right in front of them. They think that in order for them to get into a friendship or relationship, you have to look like the Instagram. You have to be as rich as that 25-year-old singer on the Instagram that's popping right now. You have to look like that rapper right now. You gotta be that athlete right now. But guys, you're following probably the top 15 to 10% of the whole human population around the world. That's an extremely small percentage. I could actually go down to like maybe 5% of the world. There's a reason why athletes are pretty much 1% of the population. Think about it. Me and my friends were talking about this on the other day. We hung out and watched the A&M NIT. Guys, it's less than 100 guys, 200 guys, 100 guys getting to the NBA. NFL, it's a little bit more, maybe 300 guys. Like the number is just so small. So what happens is you find an Instagram model, you're like, man, I want a woman that looks like that. You're like, man, I'll find a Megan Fox. I gotta find a Megan Fox somewhere. But when you go out into the world, do you see Megan Foxes just like that? No, you don't. You don't see Beyonce's just walking around, which means what? They're extremely rare. Extremely rare. Extremely rare. The truth of the matter is there's a lot of average looking people, a lot of plain Janes, right? You might catch a 7 or 8 here and there, right? So I don't want you guys to miss out on good relationships, whether it be with friends or the opposite sex. I don't want you to miss out on these opportunities chasing something on Instagram that's not really realistic. Let's just call it like it is, right? Think about the athletes. Do you see a 6'8" guy every day? No, you don't. You may see a taller guy. So guys, I want you guys to be realistic about your expectations when it comes to relationships and friendships. You know what I'm saying? A lot of good people are right in front of you. You know what I'm saying? Don't overlook them. Don't throw them to the curb because they don't look a certain way. They could have a good personality. They could be average looking and have a good personality. They could be hardworking and be skinny and short. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want you guys to just throw people down or disqualify them because they don't meet a certain criteria that you've seen on some Instagram stuff, right? This is my problem with the online stuff. A lot of that stuff is over exaggerated. We're being marketed the most attractive people, the most successful people. And in reality, guys, it's a lot of ordinary people out in the world doing ordinary things. And it's okay to do that. You ain't gotta be a model. You ain't gotta be an athlete. You ain't gotta be an executive. Success for you might be making $80,000 and traveling with your wife, two, 3 times a year, saving some money up and traveling. What's wrong with that? You ain't gotta make $1 million. You ain't gotta have millionaire friends. You gotta decide what the true reality of your life is, guys. Don't go off of online stuff. Don't get me wrong, online stuff does a lot of help. We can communicate faster than ever. We can find information on certain topics faster than ever. But what happens is that comparison stuff. That comparison breeds contempt and envy and jealousy. And if you know human beings, jealousy and envy could possibly lead to you getting killed. This is why if you're a successful person, you have to leave poverty-stricken areas, right? This is why these rappers are getting killed, because they have millions of dollars, but they're living in a low-income place, right? And you think those low-income place guys are not going to be jealous and envious of them and take their stuff for themselves? Like, come on, guys. Be realistic. 90% of this online stuff is BS. People selling you stuff. The super attractive people. Now, I don't want your standards to drop. If you want a super bad chick, that's cool. You want a super bad dude that's 6'2", 6-pack, and tattoos and making 6 figures. I'm not trying to kill your dreams. If you want that, go for it, but be realistic in going for it. Are you moving those circles? Do you know where those men go? Do you know where those attractive women are? You know what I'm saying? Be realistic about what you want and what you want in life. That's my video. Like, comment, subscribe. If you like my channel, if you like my content in general, consider donating. On Cashapp, $Myleschum, links in the description. Be realistic. Most online stuff is over-exaggerated. It's not depicted of real life and reality. Be yourself. Do what you want to do. Follow it. We out. Stay focused. Have a good week. Have a good day.